Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the WS1800, a recently released digital model from Casio. The previous WS model was the WS1700, a large square model with moon phase and tight graph. So this one is more like a continuation of the WS1600 with a rounded case like the AE1000. The display design is unique with an 80s retro look. The large graphic display at the top looks like a speedometer or a sci-fi control panel. This makes the watch stand out from other Casio digital watches. There are 3 color variants for now, and in this video I'm reviewing the WS1800 1AV. The watch size is medium to large. It is 48.2mm lug to lug, 45mm wide, and 13.8mm thick. The weight is 41 grams, so it is light enough. Water resistance is 100 meters, which is more than enough for daily use. Battery life is rated at about 10 years, and it uses a CR2025 battery, which is very easy to find. Case material is resin. The case shape is very similar to the AE1000 and AE1100. The build feels light, it is good enough. The front design looks sporty and fun. However, the bezel is not high enough to protect the crystal. Crystal type is resin glass with a spherical surface, so it looks cool, but it scratches more easily. The case back is stainless steel. It is held by 4 screws and engraved with the specifications. The resin band is attached using 18mm spring bars. The attachment is flexible, so it fits the wrist easily. Band material is PUR resin. Buckle type is plastic. The strap style is similar to the AE1000 and W218. The texture is simple and it has a wave pattern for airflow. It is comfortable and flexible for daily use, and in my experience, this strap lasts around 4 years with normal use. But don't worry, it is easy to find replacements. The button design is similar to the AE1000. There are 4 buttons: adjust and mode on the left, light and search on the right. The buttons are easy to press. They have texture, so they are easy to grip. Button action feels clear and responsive. Operation is simple and familiar for Casio users. It makes a high beep sound when moving to timekeeping mode. And mute or button silent mode is available. Overall, the operation feels practical. There are 2 progress bars on the display. The upper progress graphic shows seconds from 1 to 10. The lower progress graphic shows 10 to 60 seconds. The lower bar uses 2 segments per step, so it looks slightly inconsistent. The LCD has 2 main parts. The top part shows day, month, and date. The bottom part shows hour, minute, and second in large digits. Some of you may feel the progress graphic takes too much space and the time digits could be larger. So here's the layout comparison to the previous WS1600. The segments are crisp and easy to read. Display contrast is good at normal reading angles, but it becomes weaker at a 90-degree angle. Backlight type is LED. The light is at the lower left side. Light color is amber. Brightness is good enough and it has afterglow, but like the WS1600, it does not have auto light. This watch has several modes. The first one is the timekeeping mode. We can choose 12 or 24-hour format. and it shows the time and also the calendar. And then stopwatch mode with referee style stopwatch, no split time. It has two-line display. The upper line shows elapsed time. You can pause it by pressing the search button on the lower right, and this is useful for injury time or interruptions. The lower line shows total elapsed time. It cannot be paused. You can set a target time for the total time. And when it reaches the target, you can subtract the upper line from the lower line to get additional time. Next, preset timer mode. The preset options are 10, 12, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45 minutes. It is practical for game timing, but not the best for other time lengths. Auto repeat is available, and in this mode, the current time is shown on the top right display. Next one, interval timer. It has up to 9 intervals, with maximum time is 59 minutes 55 seconds per interval. Auto repeat is also supported. You can use it for exercise, work, Pomodoro technique, and more. And in this mode, the current time is shown on the top right display. World time mode. It has 29 time zones and 48 series. It shows Siri code on the display, and you can set the daylight saving to be on or off. Next is the alarm. This watch has only one daily alarm and hourly time signal, so it is not ideal if you need more than one alarm. Speaking of comfort and daily use, the watch feels light on the wrist. It is medium to large in size, but easy to wear. The resin strap is comfortable for daily use, buttons are easy to operate, and the display is easy to read at normal angles. Now about the pros and cons. On the positive side, it has a unique 80s retro design, large animated progress bar looks cool, long 10-year battery life, 100-meter water resistance, referee style stopwatch, and powerful interval timer functions. On the other side, there are things you might want to consider. Number 1, it uses resin glass, so it is prone to scratches. It only has one alarm. The progress bar takes too much display space. Resin strap may wear out before the battery. Stopwatch may feel unusual for most users. And the preset timer has limited options. I would recommend this watch for users who like sports or referee features, fans of retro digital Casio design, and users who need interval timers. It fits well as casual and semi-formal daily wear and light outdoor activities. The Casio WS1800 is a sporty digital watch with a strong 80s retro style. The highlight is the large animated progress bar display, referee stopwatch, and interval timers. It also offers long battery life and good water resistance. That's all for now. I will also make a tutorial for this model, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and see you again in the next video. Have a great day.